Hello Android developers, today I wanna show you how you can easily convert your SVG icons to image vector format. As you know, material library already has some icons, for example, close, edit, add, let's choose close, and let's see preview. It looks like this. But of course, when you develop your own mobile app, you usually have in Figma, for example, SVG format for icons in vector format, and you need to convert it somehow to image vector. And Figma doesn't have this functionality right now, maybe later. So the best tool which I found, it's called Valkyrie. Let me show you the GitHub. I will add this link in the description so you can check it out. Let's briefly cover some information here. They have a plugin for Android Studio. I will show you later how to use it. And also they have a command line interface tool. Command line interface tool is really helpful if you have your design in Figma. And at my work, for example, I wrote a script which downloads all SVG icons. And in my project, I run Kotlin script, which using this tool can convert all SVG files from Figma to image vector. So you don't need to do it manually. Let's return to Android Studio. This one we don't need. You can see I already installed this plugin, but if you didn't, you can find it in the settings, plugins, marketplace. Yeah, let's search it. Valkyrie. Yeah, this one. So you can see a lot of people use it. After, when you install it, you can use it. So for now, I added SVG in my project. Let's see how it looks like this. And also, just to be clear what this plugin can do, I added the same image but not in SVG format, in old drawable format. Let's check it. Yeah, you see the same alien as we saw in SVG. Now let's try to convert both of them. Because we have only one SVG, we don't have icon pack. We choose simple, and here we need a package. Package for my project will be this folder, image vector. So I, as you can see, copy paste it here. Next, and after just drop it like this, and here we go. It was converted very fast. We can copy paste in our folder, and let's go back to main activity, choose our alien icon. Let's close it. Let's see preview. Yeah, now you can see this big alien's face. But that's not all. What we can do, we can do the same for alien XML. And again, the same code. So it's pretty useful tool. As I told you, I use it from command line tool. But when you need just to convert one single time, it also works like a magic. You can convert a single icon, or you can convert even icon pack. It supports both format. And bonus tip, you also can use ChatGPT for that. But I think it's just more convenient, and it's already integrated in Android Studio. Hopefully you will use this tool from now. And disclosure, I'm not affiliated somehow with this library, so I just use it. Happy coding, see you later.